Hi friends, welcome. I am Yelumalai, TBJIT, Vellore. Unit 2, Functions of Several Variables. Now we are going to learn Taylor's theorem for function of two variables. Formula: the Taylor series expansion of f of x, y about a, b is, or the Taylor series expansion of f of x, y in powers of x minus a and y minus b is. F of x, y formula: f of x, y equal to f of a, b plus 1 divided by 1 factorial into h into fx of a, b plus k into fy of a, b plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into h square f double x of a, b plus 2hk fxy of a, b plus k square into f yy of a, b plus 1 divided by 3 factorial into h cube into f triple x of a, b plus 3h square k f double x y of a, b plus 3h k square into f x double y of a, b plus k cube into f triple y of a, b plus up to etc. where h equal to x minus a, k equal to y minus b. It is the important topic. 1 8 mark question is compulsory asked. Note: number 1, Taylor series of f of x, y about the origin 0, 0 is Maclaurin series. Number 2, if the Taylor series of f of x, y about the point is not given, the Taylor series of f of x, y about the point is not given, then take the point as origin 0, 0. That is, expand the Taylor series, but the point is not given. That time you have to take the point origin 0, 0. Problems: number 1, use Taylor's formula to expand the function defined by f of x, y equal to x cube plus y cube plus x y square in powers of x minus 1 and y minus 2. Solution given: f of x, y equal to x power 3 plus y power 3 plus x y square. Next, we have to write the formula: the Taylor series of f of x, y at the point 1, 2 is. Now write the formula: f of x, y equal to f of 1, 2, that is a equal to 1, b equal to 2. That is, f of x, y equal to f of 1, 2 plus 1 divided by 1 factorial into h into fx of 1, 2 plus k into fy of 1, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into h square f xx of 1, 2 plus 2hk into fxy of 1, 2 plus k square fyy of 1, 2 plus 1 divided by 3 factorial into h cube f xx of 1, 2 plus 3 h square k f double x y of 1, 2 plus 3h k square into f x y of 1, 2 plus k cube into f triple y of 1, 2 plus up to etc. It is equation number 1. Where h equal to x minus a, k equal to y minus b. Already we know that we have a equal to 1, b equal to 2. It is given. Now substitute, therefore h equal to x minus 1, k equal to y minus 2. Next we have to find the values of fx of 1 comma 2, fy of 1 comma 2, f double x of 1 comma 2, fxy of 1 comma 2, f double y of 1 comma 2, f triple x of 1 comma 2, f double xy of 1 comma 2, f x double y of 1 comma 2, f triple y of 1 comma 2. Form the table function in x and y value at 1 comma 2. F of x comma y, it is given f of x comma y equal to x power 3 plus y power 3 plus xy square. Substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Therefore, f of 1 comma 2 equal to 1 power 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 square equal to 1 cube value 1, 2 power 3 value 8 plus 2 square value 4. 1 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 13. Next, fx of x comma y. Listen, fx of x comma y means it is partial derivative with respect to x. Remaining terms are constant. It is partial derivative with respect to x. Fx of x comma y equal to derivative of x power 3 equal to 3x square plus it is constant term value 0. Next, x value 1 in 1 into y square plus y square. So fx of x comma y equal to 3x square plus y square. Now substitute, put x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Fx of 1 comma 2 equal to 3 into x equal to 1 square plus y value 2 square. 3 plus 2 square value 4 equal to 7. It is partial derivative with respect to y. Remaining terms are constant. Fy of x comma y equal to, it is constant term value 0. Derivative of y cube is 3 y square plus x constant term. Derivative of y square value 2y. So fy of x comma y equal to 3y square plus 2xy. Now substitute the value. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Fy of 1 comma 2 equal to 3 into y value 2. So 2 square plus 2 into x value 1, y value 2. For 2 square value 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 2s are 4. 12 plus 4 equal to 16. Next, we have to find it is partial derivative with respect to again x. 3 into derivative of x square value 2x. So 6x. Now substitute, put x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Fxx of 1 comma 2 equal to x value 1. 6 ones are 6. Next, it is partial derivative with respect to y. Fxy of x comma y equal to, for 3x square, it is constant term value 0 plus derivative of y square value 2y. Now substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Fxy of 1 comma 2 equal to 2 into y value 2. 2 2s are 4. It is partial derivative with respect to y. Again partial derivative with respect to y. F double y of x comma y equal to 3 into derivative of y square value 2y. So 3 into 2y 6y plus y value 1 plus 2x. F double y of 1 comma 2 equal to, substitute, put y equal to 2, x equal to 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. It is again partial derivative with respect to x. Value 6, x value 1, so 6. It is again partial derivative with respect to x. it is partial derivative with respect to x. No x term. So f double x y of x comma y equal to 0. It is again partial derivative with respect to y. Derivative y value 1, so 2. It is again partial derivative with respect to y. Y value 1, 6. Remaining terms, constant term value 0, so 6. Now substitute f triple x of 1 comma 2 value 6, f double x y of 1 comma 2 value 0, f x double y of 1 comma 2 value 2, f triple y of 1 comma 2 equal to 6. Now substituting these values in equation 1. 1 implies f of x comma y equal to 13 plus 1 divided by 1 factorial into x minus 1 into fx of 1 comma 2 value 7 plus y minus 2 into fy of 1 comma 2 value 16 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x minus 1 the whole square f double x of 1 comma 2 value 6 plus 2 into x minus 1 into y minus 2 f xy of 1 comma 2 value 4 plus y minus 2 the whole square f double y of 1 comma 2 value 14. Substitute plus 1 divided by 3 factorial x minus 1 the whole cube, that is h value, that is h equal to x minus 1, k equal to y minus 2. Substitute plus 1 divided by 3 factorial x minus 1 the whole cube f triple x of 1 comma 2 value 6 plus 3 into h square value h minus 1 the whole square, k value y minus 2, f double x of y of 1 comma 2 value 0 plus 3 into h value x minus 1, k square value y minus 2 the whole square, fx of fx double y of 1 comma 2 value 2 plus y minus 2 the whole cube, that is k cube value y minus 2 the whole cube into f triple y of 1 comma 2 value 6. Just you have to substitute the values in equation 1. Now f of x comma y equal to 13 plus 1 divided by 1 factor value 1, that is 1 factor value 1, 1 divided by 1 value 1, 7 into x minus 1 plus 16 into y minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 factor value 2, 6 into x minus 1 the whole square plus 8 into 2 4s are 8, 8 into x minus 1 into y minus 2 plus 14 into y minus 2 the whole square plus 1 divided by 3 factorial value. 3 factorial value 6. So 1 divided by 6. 6 into x minus 1 the whole cube plus that value, the term value 0. 0 plus 3 2s are 6 into x minus 1 plus y minus 2 the whole square plus 6 into y minus 2 the whole cube. Finally, therefore f of x comma y equal to 13 plus 7 into x minus 1 plus 16 into y minus 2 plus, now 1 by 2 multiply every term, 1 by 2 into 6, 3, that is 3 into x minus 1 the whole square plus 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 4 into x minus 1 into y minus 2, 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 7 into y minus 2 the whole square plus 1 divided by 6 multiply every term, 6 cancel, x minus 1 the whole cube, that time value 0, 6 cancel, x minus 1 into y minus 2 the whole square plus 1 divided by 6, 1 divided by 6 multiply every term. So 6 into 6 cancel plus y minus 2 the whole cube. Ends the problem. Problem number 2. Expand e power x into log of 1 plus y in the powers of x and y up to the third degree terms. In the powers of x and y means the point is not given. Expand, that is expand e power x into log of 1 plus y in the powers of x and y. The point is not given, so you have to take about the point is origin 0, 0 up to the third degree terms. Given f of x, y equal to e power x into log of 1 plus y. Now write the formula. The Taylor series of f of x, y at 0, 0 is f of x, y equal to f of 0, 0 plus 1 divided by 1 factorial into h into fx of 0, 0 plus k into fy of 0, 0 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into h square into f double x of 0, 0 plus 2 into hk into fxy of 0, 0 plus k square into f double y of 0, 0 plus 1 divided by 3 factorial into h power 3 into f triple x of 0, 0 plus 3 h square k into f double xy of 0, 0 plus 3h k square into fx double y of 0, 0 plus k cube into f triple y of 0, 0. It is equation number 1, where h equal to x minus a, k equal to y minus b. We know that already given a value 0 and b equal to 0. Therefore, h equal to x minus 0, that is a value equal to x. K equal to y minus b value 0 equal to y. That is h equal to x, k equal to y. Form the table. Function in x and y value at 0, 0. F of x, y equal to e power x log of 1 plus y. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. That is f of 0, 0 equal to e power 0 log of 1 plus y value 0. E power 0 value 1, log of 1 plus 0 value 1, log 1 value 0. So total value 0. It is partial derivative with respect to x. Already we know that partial derivative with respect to x means remaining terms are constant. It is partial derivative with respect to x. So fx of x, y equal to derivative of e power x, it is constant term log of 1 plus y. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So fx of 0, 0 equal to e power 0 log of 1 plus 0. Log 1 value 0, so total value 0. It is partial derivative with respect to y. Fy of x, y equal to e power x constant term. Derivative of log 1 plus y is 1 divided by 1 plus y. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Fy of 0, 0 equal to e power 0 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0. E power 0 value 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 0 value 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. It is partial derivative with respect to, again with respect to x. F double x of x, y equal to e power x in derivative of e power x, it is constant term log of 1 plus y. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, that is f double x of 0, 0 equal to e power 0 log of 1 plus 0. Log 1 value 0. So total value 0. It is partial derivative with respect to y. E power x constant term. Derivative of log 1 plus y is 1 divided by 1 plus y. So e power x into 1 divided by 1 plus y. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. That is fxy of 0, 0 equal to e power 0 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0. E power 0 value 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 0 value 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. It is partial derivative with respect to y. That is f_y of x, y equal to e power x constant term. Derivative of 1 divided by 1 plus y formula is minus 1 divided by 1 plus y the whole square. It is also written as, it is also rewrite minus e power x into 1 plus y whole power minus 2. Already we know that derivative of 1 divided by x is minus 1 divided by x square. Using this formula, now f_y of 0, 0, that is put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So equal to e power 0 into 1 divided by 1 plus y value 0 the whole square equal to e power 0 value 1. 1 divided by 1 plus 0 the whole square value 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. It is partial derivative again with respect to x. So f_x of x, y equal to e power derivative of e power x value e power x log 1 plus y. It is constant term. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. That is f_x of 0, 0 equal to e power 0 log 1 plus y value 0. Log 1 value 0. So total value 0. It is again partial derivative with respect to y. Now e power x constant term. Derivative of log 1 plus y is 1 divided by 1 plus y. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. f_xy of 0, 0 equal to e power 0 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0 equal to total value 1. It is again partial derivative with respect to it is partial derivative with respect to y. E power x constant term. E power x derivative of 1 divided by 1 plus y is minus 1 divided by 1 plus y the whole square. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. fxy of 0, 0 equal to minus e power 0 into 1 divided by 1 plus 0 the whole square. Total value is minus 1. It is again partial derivative with respect to y. Using this term minus e power x constant term minus e power x derivative of 1 plus y whole power minus 2 is minus 2 into 1 plus y whole power minus 3. Again derivative y value 1. It is written as minus into minus plus 2 into e power x. The term go to denominator. That is equal to 2 into e power x divided by 1 plus y whole power 3. Now put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. f_y of 0, 0 equal to 2 into e power 0 divided by 1 plus y value 0 the whole cube equal to e power 0 value 1. So 2 into 1 2, denominator value 1. So 2 divided by 1 equal to 2. Substituting these values in equation 1. Now 1 implies f of x, y equal to f of 0, 0 value 0 plus 1 divided by 1 factorial h value x fx of 0, 0 value 0 plus k value y fy of 0, 0 value 1 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial h square value x square f x x of 0 comma 0 value 0 plus 2 into h value x k value y f x y of 0 comma 0 value 1 plus k square value y square f double y of 0 comma 0 value minus 1 plus 1 divided by 3 factorial h cube value x cube f triple x of 0 comma 0 value 0 plus 3 into h square value x square k value y f double x of y comma 0 value 1 plus 3 into h value x k square value y square f x double y of 0 value minus 1 plus k value y cube k cube value y cube f triple y of 0 value is 2. Therefore f of x comma y equal to first term 0, second term value y plus 2 factor value 2. So denominator 2 x square into 0 value 0 plus 2xy plus into minus y square. So first term y, second term 2xy minus y square divided by 2. Third term 1 divided by 3 factor. 3 factor value 3 into 2 into 1, that is 3 factor value is 6 denominator. First term 0, second term 3x square y plus into minus 3x y square plus 2y cube. So plus 3x square y minus 3x y square plus 2y cube divided by 6. Ends the problem. Exercise 1, just you have to try expand e power x into cos y at 0 comma pi divided by 2 up to third degree using Taylor series. Thank you. Now we are going to learn maxima and minima of functions of two variables. Rule 2, find the extreme values of a function f of x comma y. Rule number 1, find fx comma fy comma f double x comma f double y. Rule number 2, solve fx equal to 0 comma fy equal to 0. Let a comma b comma c comma d be the solutions of these equations. Rule number 3, for each solution in step 2, find r equal to f double x comma s equal to fxy comma t equal to f double y. Let delta equal to rt minus s square. Rule number 4, if del greater than 0 and r less than 0 for a particular solution a comma b of step 2, then f of x comma y has a maximum value at a comma b. That is delta greater than 0 and r less than 0, then the point a comma b has a maximum value at. Rule number 5, if delta greater than 0 and r greater than 0 for a particular solution a comma b of step 2, then f of x comma y has a minimum value at a comma b. That is del greater than 0 and r less than 0, then f of x comma y has a minimum value at a comma b. Rule number 6, if delta less than 0 for a particular solution a comma b of step 2, then f of x comma y has a no extreme value a comma b. The stationary value a comma b is called saddle point of f of x comma y. Saddle point of f of x comma y. Rule number 7, if delta equal to 0 or delta greater than 0 and r equal to 0 and s equal to 0, the cases are doubtful and requires further investigation. Del equal to 0 or del greater than 0 and r equal to 0 and s equal to 0 means the cases are doubtful and requires further investigation. Problems. find the extreme values for f of x comma y equal to x power 3 plus y power 3 minus 12x minus 3y plus 20. Solution given f of x comma y equal to x cube plus y cube minus 12x minus 3y plus 20. It is partial derivative. Rule number 1. We have to find fx, fy, r, s, t and delta value. It is partial derivative with respect to x. That is fx equal to derivative of x power 3 is 3x square minus x value 1 minus 12. Remaining terms are 0. It is again with respect to x. R equal to f double x equal to 3 into derivative of x square value 2x. About 3 into 2x is 6x. That is equal to 6x. That time value, constant value 0. 0. It is partial derivative with respect to y. First term 0. Second term 3y square minus third term 0. Y value 1. That is fy equal to 3y square minus 3. S equal to, it is partial derivative with respect to y. That is s equal to f xy equal to 0. That is no y term. Value 0. It is partial derivative again with respect to y. 3 into derivative of y square value 2y. 3 into 2y is 6y. Constant value 0. To find the stationary points of f of x comma y. Subtopic. Now fx equal to 0. Fx equal to 0. That is fx value is 3x square minus 12. 3x square minus 12 equal to 0. 3x square minus 12 take right hand side plus 12. 1 3s are 3. 4 3s are 12. That is x square equal to 4. Square take right hand side. This implies x equal to plus or minus 2. That is x value x equal to minus 2 comma 2 plus 2. Now fy equal to 0. That is fy value is 3y square minus 3 equal to 0. 3y square minus 3 take right hand side. That is plus 3. 3 3 cancel. Now y square equal to 1. Square take right hand side. That is y equal to plus or minus 1. That is y value is minus 1 comma 1. Now write the stationary points are minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma plus 1. 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma plus 1. Therefore the stationary points are minus 2 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma 1, 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma plus 1. Now form the table at minus 2 comma minus 1, at minus 2 comma 1, at 2 comma minus 1, at 2 comma 1. R value, R equal to 6x, S value 0, T value 6y, delta equal to RT minus S square. At minus 2 comma minus 1, put x equal to minus 2. 6 into minus 2 equal to minus 12. S value 0. Y value minus 1. 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 6. Now delta value RT minus S square. That is S value 0. S square value 0. 12 6 are 72. Now R value less than 0 and del value greater than 0. Therefore maximum value at minus 2 comma minus 1. Maximum value at minus 2 comma minus 1. At minus 2 comma 1. Now R equal to 6x. Put x equal to minus 2. 6 into minus 2 equal to minus 12. S value 0. T value 6. Delta value minus 72. Now R value less than 0. and delta value less than 0. Saddle point. Now at 2, minus 1, R value 12, S value 0, T value minus 6, delta value minus 72. Now R greater than 0 and del less than 0. It is also saddle point. At 2, 1, R value 12, S value 0, T value 6, delta value 72. Now R value greater than 0 and delta value greater than 0. So it is minimum value at minus 2, minus 1. Maximum value is f of minus 2, minus 1. That point is maximum value. That point is minimum value. Now maximum value is f of minus 2, minus 1 equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole cube minus 12 into minus 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 20. That is, put x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 1. Put in the given equation. Minus 8 minus 1 minus into minus plus 24 plus 3 plus 20. The value is 38. Minimum value is f of 2, 1. X value 2, 2 cube, y value 1, 1 cube, minus 12, x value 2, minus 3, y value 1, plus 20. 2 power 3 value 8, 1 power 3 value 1, minus 12 2s are 24, minus 3, plus 20. Total value 2. Problem number 2. Find the extreme values for f of x, y equal to x square minus xy plus y square minus 2x plus y. Solution. Given f of x, y equal to x square minus xy plus y square minus 2x plus y. It is partial derivative with respect to x. That is, derivative of x square is 2x, x value 1, that is minus y, x value 1 minus 2. Remaining terms are constant, value 0. It is again partial derivative with respect to x. Derivative x value 1, it is 2. Remaining terms are constant, value 0. It is r equal to f double x equal to 2. It is partial derivative with respect to y. That is fy equal to first term 0, second term y value 1, that is minus x. Derivative of y square value 2y, that value is 0. Derivative of y value 1. S equal to, it is partial derivative with respect to y. First term 0, y value 1, minus 2 value 0, minus 1. It is again partial derivative with respect to y. First term 0, y value 1, constant value 0, 2. To find the stationary points of f of x, y. That is fx, you have to assume fx equal to 0. Fx value is 2x. Fx value is 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now minus 2 take right hand side. It is equation number 1. Fy equal to 0. That is fy value is minus x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 1 take right hand side. That is minus x plus 2y equal to minus 1. It is equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Equation number 1 implies. Now comparing the equation 1 and 2. Equating the x term. That is 1 implies 2x minus y equal to 2. Equation 2 multiply 2 implies minus 2x plus 2 to are 4y equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Now 2x, now add 2x minus 2x, cancel, minus y plus 4y, 3y plus 3y, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 take right hand side, that is y equal to 0. Now we get the y value. Substitute y equal to 0 in equation 1. In equation 1. Put y equal to 0, that is 2x minus 0 equal to 2. That is 2x equal to 2. 2 cancel. Therefore x equal to 1. Therefore the stationary point is 1, 0. At 1, 0, r value 2, s value minus 1, t value 2, delta equal to rt minus s square, r value 2, t value 2, minus s square, that is s square value 1, formula minus 1 equal to 3. It is also greater than 0. Since r greater than 0 and delta greater than 0, therefore f of x, y has a minimum value at 1, 0. Therefore f of x, y has a minimum value at 1, 0. Therefore minimum value is f of 1, 0 equal to, put x equal to 1, y equal to 0 in the given function. 1 square minus 1 into 0 plus 0 square minus 2 into 1 plus 0. Now simplify. The answer is minus 1. Exercise number 1. Find the extreme values for f of x, y equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. Problem number 2. Find the extreme values for f of x, y equal to x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square plus 4xy minus 2y square. Thank you.